Seminar is a class that's not like many others at the school. So,
wow, this is hard.
It's really hard to explain.
And so Seminar is a place where you can go and just learn more about you and about stuff that's not, in the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction, manual for what you're supposed to learn.
It's kind of what the early college stands for. It makes you ready for college, career, and life.
Seminar is a class where you learn about yourself, you learn about others, you learn about your friends, you learn about your county, and you learn about what you want to do with your life when you get done.
Seminar is one of my favorite classes. We get to be creative and learning about who we are.
Subject in seminar is yourself.
It's given me the chance to kind of catch up on what's happening to me.
It's helped me figure out who I am and who I want to become, and made me think about my future and how what I do now affects my future.
We get to make ourselves a better person.
The seminar, just that gives us an opportunity to set aside our problems and figure out what we can do to make things better about it.
And Seminar is pretty much the backbone to where our school can form around it, because we get feedback during seminar about what things could change, how things could be better, how things are going.
And I feel like the seminar class would and does help with that. It helps to kind of deal with the problems that we're having to overcome in the school with all the work we're doing and problems outside in our own lives. It helps us to cope with that and to prioritize and get everything in order so that we can accomplish these things more easily.
When I walk into a seminar class, I know that it's a very structured class, yet the structure is flexible.
We focus on things that'll help us as students grow better and also grow as people outside of the classroom, outside of this program whenever we leave.
I'm pretty sure that if seminar didn't exist, we wouldn't be such a family.
We wouldn't get the experience of seeing how all of our classes connect to each other and make the world around us seem less complicated.
We'd lose that chance to kind of focus ourselves in,
and we wouldn't get the full-on experience of our hands-on learning.
And each grade level, it has a good purpose for all of us.
In freshman year, we learn more about ourselves and like what we're capable of.
When you move into sophomore year, you're in where am I at? So we study Caldwell County, and you learn a whole lot more about the county that you never learned before. And then in your junior year, you're like, where do I fit? And then in your fourth year, you're going at where you're going to college and stuff like that. And then in your fifth year is more career-oriented. How are you going to get there?
We read a book, The Essential 55, which was guidelines of things we should remember out of respect for each person.
We read the book, 7 Habits for Highly Effective Teens.
When we're talking about the 6 most important decisions you'll ever make, that's how you're shaping your life and how you're planning on shaping it.
This is take 23. Ready, go.
Sorry.
Okay, are you going to edit it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hold on, I just figured it out.